Everything we are is just a shadow cast, a memory fading too fast. I reach for you, but you're far away. How do we escape what we cannot say? Pull me close, let the feeling stay. Even if we're lost, I'll find my way. Every touch feels like a memory erased. Every word we speak leaves a bitter taste. I am falling apart, but I won't break. In the void we make, the rules we take. Let the feeling linger in the spaces between, where nothing is ever what it seems. I'll stand my ground and face the unknown. With every step we take, we're not alone. I'm reaching for you, can you hear my call? In the distance I stand tall. Even when the world is spinning fast, I'll find you in the dark at last. We are not bound by time, we are not tied by space. Our hearts beat together, but at our own pace, breaking down the walls that we used to know. We are infinite, never letting go. Unseen forces pulling us together. I can't escape this bond forever. In this place where nothing feels real, the pull of us is all I can feel. I won't let go, I won't let go. Even if the world is moving slow, I won't let go, I won't let go. In this place we'll never say goodbye. Hidden into the dark we made, letting go of everything we couldn't save. Hold on tight as the last lights fade. I'll carry you in every step I take. In the end we are